Today I'd like to show you how to access Discovery Ed and grab content to place into any of your courses. So here on the Pequea Valley Symbaloo, Discovery Ed is located here. Discovery Education uses Google Single Sign-On. As I'm already logged in with Google, I have come into my account already. If not, simply use your Google Single Sign-On, first name underscore last name of pequeavalley.net to access Discovery Education. I'm going to go ahead and use the search to find some content that I'd like to place in my course. Use this virtual field trip as an example. And one of the many ways to allow learners to access is via the share link. So I'll go ahead and click share, which is located here. Copy that link, come over to Schoology, and I'm simply on this example going to use the add file link external tool. There are again many ways that you can do this in both Schoology, Google Drive, as well as ClassDojo. I'm just going to use this one as an example. Place that link here, go ahead and grab the title, and now I'll switch over to a learner view to show you what it's going to look like for a learner. Now again, I'm in Schoology here. However, this will work exactly the same if you place that link in a Google Doc or in your ClassDojo. So here's the link that I just created for this learner to access this virtual field trip. They'll simply click that link. You can see that the content is already accessible, or it looks like it's accessible. This learner is already logged in with their Google account, and that's how learners also log into Discovery Ed. So if they press play, you can see that the content is playable. If they were not already logged in with Google, they'll click that play button. They'll be asked to use their Google Single Sign-On to sign in. That's their first name underscore last name at pequeavalley.net. They'll put in their password, and then the content is accessible. They'll be able to play that either directly in Schoology or it will open in a pop-out. I hope that this tutorial how-to was helpful on how you can grab content from Discovery Ed and quickly place that into any of your courses for learner access. As always, thanks for watching.